This meal goes out to Augusta golfer, better known as GG. You beat me in my match last week, so I'm making Sriracha shrimp. On the Blackstone, Arizona edition. Got a pound of shrimp, cleaned to vein, just the tail shell on. Start with the honey Sriracha sauce. We're gonna start with a half a stick of butter. We're gonna add a tablespoon of fresh minced garlic. About a tablespoon of ginger. Some smoked paprika. The garlic is cooked down. We're gonna add a half a cup of Sriracha. About a half a cup of honey. 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix it all up. Give it a taste and make sure the seasonings are right. If you want more heat, add more Sriracha. Baking up the grill. Add the shrimp to the grill. Shrimp are only gonna cook for 1 or 2 minutes each side. We're gonna flip them after a minute or two. Bacon grease is gonna give these a great flavor. So the sauce is thickened up really nicely. We're gonna add the shrimp to the sauce. Mix the shrimp in the sauce, get them coated really well. Now we're gonna put the shrimp back on the griddle, get a nice char on both sides. Are you kidding me? Look at that char. Finishing touches, squeeze some lime. Garnish with some fresh cilantro. Gary, say it with me. Are you kidding me?